Good morning, my dear friends. This is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi, and I'm speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyaranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Friends, today is 6th May, so let's know the importance and significance of 6th May. Friends, today is Tourist Information Day. It's a very important day. Tourist Appreciation Day, sorry. Tourist appreciation. There are tourists all over the world. They go from one place to another, try to understand the local area, local culture. They enjoy also. There are many types of tourism: agro-tourism, religious tourism, adventure tourism, sports tourism, medical tourism, environmental tourism, rural tourism, urban tourism. So, tourists have a very important role to play. It is they who promote the ecological places because ecotourism is gathering momentum these days. The idea is to learn something and motivate others also to visit those places so that they could have a lesson that in their area also these areas could be, these specializations and tourist places could be located and discovered. At the same time, if they want to earn knowledge, for that going is essential. Sometimes it is compulsion also. Supposing medical tourism. In developing countries where medical facilities are not there at all or very primary level, in that case, through medical tourism, you go to the countries where facilities are there. In this direction, India has the biggest role to play because this is a place where medical science is fully advanced and the rates compared to Western countries may be about one-fourth. So there is mad rush for almost all countries of the world. Wherever one feels that, yes, they must spend less amount, they come to India. So these are many, many reasons why tourists should be appreciated that way. Another reason why we appreciate this day today is that today is the International Diet Day. Diet is very important. What you look always depends on your diet. If you eat well, not that you eat too much, you eat in the right quantity, you eat only nutritious food, not junk food, then you will be having a shining personality. Whereas if you eat more, keep on adding weight, you look dull also, you can't move, you look lazy, you feel stressed. So diet is very important. Please take care of the diet. The local dietitian will tell you according to your needs, according to your taste, and according to any deficiency in the body, what is to be taken. Supposing somebody has blood pressure, certainly they will take something where there is less salt. Accordingly, if somebody has diabetes, then they will take only those items or those fruits where sugar content is less. That way it keeps on changing. So friends, these are the two reasons. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the 7th May. Till then, I thank you for your time and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.